Meaning of eastward.
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 Eastward. Eastward refers to the direction towards the east, which is opposite to the west and towards the sunrise. It indicates movement or position towards the east, whether it be in relation to geography, travel, or time. Moving eastward can mean traveling towards countries such as China, Japan, and South Korea, or simply moving from a western region to an eastern one. The concept of eastward expansion has been significant throughout history, with events such as the Silk Road trade and the colonization of the Americas reflecting this trend.